All today we are going to discuss about rotator cuff force couple. Okay, if a person is feeling and is facing any injury, okay, surely he doesn't know how to train your rotator cuff force couple muscles and what are the causes that create this imbalance and later the injury. Okay, so force couple is a concept where all the muscles in a rotator cuff works in harmony to stabilize the joint, your shoulder joint. Okay, so shoulder joint is a joint that works on force couple concept. Okay, so there are three types of force couple. Okay, first is deltoid rotator cuff force couple. Second is anterior posterior rotator cuff force couple, and third is upper trapezius, lower trapezius and serratus anterior rotator cuff force couple. Okay, first we will talk about deltoid rotator cuff force couple. Okay, so when we are lifting our arms or when we are doing shoulder abduction, okay, arm abduction, so our deltoid creating force on humerus to rotate it upward, to rotate the humerus upward and exterior rotation. Okay, upward rotation and exterior rotation. So to stabilize the shoulder joint, other muscles in the rotator cuff are working opposite to it. So these are three muscles: subscapularis, infraspinatus and teres minor. Okay, these three muscles are creating force on humerus also, but in downward and internal rotation, internal direction. Okay, so to create harmony. Okay, and other one muscle of the rotator cuff force couple is supraspinatus. The work of the supraspinatus is also to stabilize the shoulder joint. Okay, so here three muscles are working in opposite direction and one other supraspinatus is also working here. Okay, that is creating pinching, like it is compressing to more stabilize the shoulder joint. Okay, so if any muscle in this rotator cuff is dominant or imbalanced or doing malfunction, then you are about to or you are prone to injury. Okay, next force couple is anterior posterior rotator cuff force couple. Okay, in this front stabilizer is subscapularis, and like I told, sits are the example of rotator cuff muscles. So infraspinatus and teres minor take the back. Okay, to create harmony. Okay, the main function of this force couple is to ensure that shoulder should be perfectly centered. Okay, should be in balance. Okay, so if for example the subscapularis is dominant, let's suppose if subscapularis has more strength, then it will diminish the work of other muscles like teres minor and infraspinatus. Okay, so harmony should be in the muscles. Okay, all muscles should be balanced, should not do malfunction. Okay, so this is all about force couple. Okay, how rotator cuff, the complex structure of the shoulder, how it works. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet again in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, love you all, be victorious.